Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal Universal School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of 8. Our today's topics is Algebra, CQ 3 and 4. My dear student, in our class we shall solve question number 4 as your CW and question number 3 will be your SW. So my dear student, let us start our class at first. Today is our lecture number 32 of annual term and today's SW number will be 31. So at first we read the question. Here question number 4 first. X plus 1 by x equal to 4 and x greater than 1. X greater than 1. Okay. Question number A. Resolve into factors by square minus b square plus 1 into y plus b. That means this expression is given, we resolve this expression into factors. Okay. Question number B, x cube minus 1 by x cube equal to 30 root 3. Okay. By using x plus 1 by x equal to 4, we find the value of left hand side. If the value of left hand side is 30 root 3, then we can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. Question number C, find the value of x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5. So first of all we solve question number A, resolve into factors by square minus b square plus 1 into y plus b. So first of all I written question number 4A. The expression is by square minus b square plus 1y plus b. So my dear student, let us start. At first we multiply. Here you notice b square plus 1 into y. So by square. If you write it such way, this y is here, y into b square plus 1 plus b, then it is easier for you. Do you understand? Suppose this is 2 into 3 equal to 6. If I write 3 into 2, then it will be also 6. So just like this, b square plus y into y, that means b square plus y into y, again y into b square plus 1 are same. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now we multiply by square, we multiply this b square plus y by minus y. If we multiply minus y by b square, then we get b square y, and minus y with 1, then it will be minus y, and this plus b is here. I hope you have understood. Now my dear students, we take common from the first two expression. Here you notice b square. So b is the lowest term, that means b is common. Y square y, that means y is common, that means y is the lowest term. So from these two expression we take by as common. So take common by, and notice if we take common, that means we divide this expression by by. If we divide this expression by by, then we get y. That means notice by square by by. This b cut and y square y. I hope you have understood. Next we divide b square y by this by and we get b. Okay. Next from this expression we notice minus y plus b, and we want to make y minus b, so minus 1 is common and left y, and if minus came common, then this plus will be minus b. So notice from this whole expression y minus b is common and y minus b common, left by minus 1, and this is the answer of question number A. I hope you have understood. My dear students, please notice from this whole expression y minus b is common and left by, and this minus here and 1 is here. That means y minus b, by minus 1 are the factors of this expression by square minus b square plus 1 into y plus b. Okay. So question number A is done. Next we shall solve question number B. Question number B. Before starting to solve this math, my dear student, notice the question. Here x plus 1 by x equal to 4, but the question asks you to prove that x cube minus 1 by x cube equal to 30 root 3. To prove it, we need the value of x minus 1 by x, but here x plus 1 by x is given. For this reason, so we convert this x plus 1 by x into the value of x minus 1 by x. So how can, first of all you write given that x plus 1 by x equal to 4. Now x minus 1 by x whole square. So what is the formula of x minus 1 by x whole square in terms of x plus 1 by x? The formula is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4 into x into 1 by x. Now we notice the value of x plus 1 by x is 4. So write 4 square minus 4 into these x are cut and left 4. So now 4 square, that means 16 minus 4, and we get 12. Notice here x minus 1 by x whole square, by we need the value of x minus 1 by x only. So write x minus 1 by x equal to root over 12. My dear student, notice we write this 4 into 3. 4 root means 2 and root 3. Do you understand? That means the value of x minus 1 by x equal to 2 root 3. I hope you have understood. So now by using this value of x minus 1 by x equal to 2 root 3, we solve the left hand side of question number B. So write left hand side, L is S. What is the L is S? X cube minus 1 by x cube. So we write it x cube minus 1 by x whole cube. Now the formula of a cube minus b cube, instead of a we write x and instead of b we write 1 by x. So what is the formula? X minus 1 by x whole cube minus, it will be plus 3 into x into 1 by x, x minus 1 by x. So my dear students, now we put the value. What is the value of x minus 1 by x? Notice 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 cube plus x cut 3 into the value of x minus 1 by x is 2 root 3. Now notice we do multiply 2 3 times, that means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that means it will be 8 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3, that means it will be 3 root 3. We have already shown it in our previous class. 3 root 3 means root 3 whole cube means this 2 root 3 makes 3 and this root 3 is here. So I hope you have understood. Then plus sign is here. 3 2s are 6, 6 root 3. Now 8 3s are 24 root 3 plus 6 root 3. Now we add here 24 root 3, here 6 root 3. If we add this, then we get 30 root 3, and this is the RHS of the expression. That means we write LHS equal to RHS. Proved. I hope you have understood question number B. Okay, my dear students, question number B is done. Next we shall solve question number C. So I erase question number B. Before erasing, please notice it again. Here the value of x plus 1 by x equal to 4, it is given, but we need to solve x cube minus 1 by x cube. To solve this, we need the value of x minus 1 by x. For this reason, by using this expression, we find the value of x minus 1 by x by this procedure. After that, we using this value, we find the x minus 1 by x cube's value, and it will be 30 root 3, which is the RHS of the given expression. That means LHS equal to RHS. It is proved. So next we shall solve question number C. C number question is find the value of x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5. by using x plus 1 by x equal to 4. Okay. So, first of all we write given that x plus 1 by x equal to 4. Now, my dear students, the given expression is x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5. From this expression we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube, x square plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 by x. So, how can we write this? Okay. So, first of all you notice we need to make x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5. At first we multiply these two expression. Notice x cube plus 1 by x cube into x square plus 1 by x square. Okay. Now, x cube with x square and it will be x to the power 5. Then x cube with 1 by x square, then it will be x. Again 1 by x square with 1 by x to the power cube with x square and it will be 1 by x. Again 1 by x to the power cube plus 1 by x to the power cube multiplied with 1 by x square and it will be 1 by x to the power 5. My dear student, notice this term is extra. For this reason we subtract x plus 1 by x to make it equilibrium of first line. Okay. So, now here the value of x plus 1 by x equal to given. By using that value we solve x cube plus 1 by x cube and x square plus 1 by x square. Okay. Now, we apply the formula of a cube plus b cube and also a square plus b square. Notice what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? The formula of a cube plus b cube is a plus b the whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x, x plus 1 by x. Okay. Next, this one is done. After that we use the formula of a square plus b square and it will be x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, and this one is given, that means x plus 1 by x. Now, we put the value. What is the value? The value is x plus 1 by x equal to 4. So, now 4 cube minus 3, these x are cut and left 3, and the value of x plus 1 by x equal to 4. So, this one is done. Next, this one is 4 square, x cut left 2 minus the value of this expression is 4. Now, 4 4 jar 16, 16 4 jar 64, then 3 4 jar 12. Okay. After that 4 4 jar 16 minus 2 4. Now, we subtract 2 from 4 we get 2, 1 from 6 we get 5 into 14. If we subtract 2 from 16 then we get 14 minus 4. Now, we multiply this 14 with 52. Okay. So, 14 2 jar 18, 18 8 carrying 2, 14 5 jar 70, 70 plus 2 72 minus 4. If we subtract 4 then we get 724 and it is the answer of this expression. That means it is the value of this expression. So, right answer 724. I hope you have understood of this question. I repeat it again. First of all, I convert this expression into such way, that means x cube plus 1 by x whole cube into x square plus 1 by x square. For these reasons, this x plus 1 by x is extra. For this reason, to make it equilibrium, I subtracted x plus 1 by x from this expression. Okay. After that, I use here formula, two formula, the formula of x cube plus 1 by x cube and the formula of a square plus b square. So, formula is written here. After that, the formula is also written here. Then we put the value. Okay, after that we do calculation and we get 52 14. After multiplying 52 with 14 we get 728 minus 4, we subtract 4 from 728 and we get 724, and it is the answer of this question number C of 4. So my dear student, this is our today's CW, and question number 3 will be your SW. So at first we read the question. Q equal to 3a square minus 7a minus 6 and R equal to P plus 1 by P are algebraic expression. A number resolve into factors x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus 2y, so y cube. Question number B, if R equal to a plus 2, then find the value of p to the power 4 plus 1 by p to the power 4. Question number C, express the given expression q as the difference of two squares. Okay. So my dear students, this question number 3 will be your SW. It is SW number 31. You must do your assigned SW in your SW copy. Submit it regularly by your guardians. So my dear students, keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum.